Kitty. Green berries. Where are they coming from? They look big and yummy. Awen, why aren't they closer so you can eat them, huh? What would you do with a bird that size, Cat? Seriously. I'm a little bit concerned for your safety. Because if you're going to go after a bird that size, or if you're going to go after a flock of birds that size, yeah, totally. You're in for a heap of trouble. Hey, oi, oi! Oi! Thank you. No, that's a biggie. There we are. Look at my cat. You like cardinals, anyone? Yeah, you like cardinals? Well, now you're focusing on sparrow. Back to the cardinal. Yay. Oh, well. I think I'm done recording this. Now you looking at the real birds outside? Oh no, the birds right there. Which ones? Real? Yeah, I think you're more interested in real. You outside? I'll let you outside.